Hey everyone, Casey here. Listen, have you heard about this AI thing? It's blowing up and for good reason. It's like having a robot army working for you, except it lives inside your computer and runs on willpower and electricity. Today we're diving into the top ways to make money on Fiverr using the power of AI. That's right, we're talking about passive income, baby. Let's find out how your computer can make you cash while you sleep. First up, we're talking about graphic design. Now, you might be thinking, Casey, I can barely draw a stick figure, but that's the beauty of AI, my friend. You don't have to be Picasso to create stunning graphics. Tools like Canva, with their built-in AI features, can help you design everything from logos and social media posts to brochures and even full-blown websites. It's like having a personal design assistant at your fingertips. Imagine this. Someone needs a logo for their new dog walking business. You hop on Canva, type in dog walking logo, and boom, the AI generates dozens of options. You pick one you like, tweak it a bit, and bam, you've got yourself a professional looking logo ready to sell on Fiverr. And the best part, you didn't even have to break a sweat, let alone lift a paintbrush. Next up, we're diving into the world of content creation. Now, content is king, or so they say, but who's got the time to write a novel every time they need a blog post? Not me, that's for sure. But guess what? AI does. That's right, there are AI tools out there that can write blog posts, articles, website copy, you name it, faster than you can say writer's block. Don't worry, we're not talking about replacing Shakespeare here. We're talking about automating the boring stuff. Need a 500-word article on the history of the paperclip? AI's got you covered. Want a catchy product description for your new line of artisanal shoelaces? AI can do that too. And the best part is, the quality is surprisingly good, like scarily good. It's like having a ghostwriter living inside your computer, except this ghostwriter doesn't need coffee breaks or sleep. Now let's talk about video editing. We all know video is king, right? But editing, man, that can be a time suck. Cutting, splicing, adding transitions, color correcting, it's enough to make you want to pull your hair out. But fear no more, because AI is here to save the day and your sanity. There are AI-powered video editing tools that can automate a lot of the tedious tasks, like cutting out silences, adding subtitles, and even creating those fancy pants motion graphics that make your videos look like a Hollywood production. Imagine this. You film a cooking tutorial. You upload the footage to your AI editor, and boom, it automatically cuts out all the times you messed up the recipe, adds in some cool music and transitions, and even throws in some text overlays with cooking tips. All you have to do is upload the finished product to YouTube and watch the views and the money roll in. Now, this next one might sound a little dry, but trust me, it's a goldmine. We're talking about data analysis. Businesses big and small are drowning in data these days, and they need someone to make sense of it all. That's where you come in, armed with the power of AI. There are AI tools that can analyze data faster and more accurately than a team of mathematicians hopped up on caffeine. They can identify trends, predict customer behavior, and even tell you what to post on social media to get the most engagement. It's like having a crystal ball, except instead of predicting the future, it predicts how to make more money. Last but not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite personal assistants. But not just any personal assistants, AI-powered personal assistants. These digital helpers can manage your schedule, book appointments, answer emails, and even order your groceries. And guess what? People are willing to pay good money for this kind of convenience. Imagine this. You set up an AI personal assistant service on Fiverr. Clients tell you what they need help with, and your AI assistant takes care of the rest. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working for you around the clock, except you don't have to worry about payroll or providing health insurance. It's the ultimate passive income stream. So there you have it, folks. 5 AI hustles that can make you money on Fiverr. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. With a little bit of research and some elbow grease, you can be up and running in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future tips on making money online. Start letting your AI do the hard work and maybe take a nap or two.